What is happening, everyone? Welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for tuning in. So today we're looking at an older Palace piece. This is from the 2016 Summer Spring collection, and honestly one of my favorite pieces from that entire year. So I ordered it about 3 weeks ago. There was a little bit of a delay in getting it shipped out to me, a little bit of confusion with the seller, but in the end that was all good. I got it for a really good price. So I paid about $80 Australian for this in 9 out of 10 condition. So that's honestly a pretty sweet deal considering it's relatively old and it's one of the better trifergs. So I'm gonna break it out for you guys now. Let's have a look at it. So it's the Pills tee. So on the front, the triferg looks like a pill. So it's got the little triferg inside the circle there, sort of like a 3D image. Looks like a pill basically. Really cool design. And the back is this sort of bright neon green with the Palace triferg and with all these little pills scattered around it. So I mean, I'm really digging it, really digging the design. Not too much to say about it except I just picked it up and I'm really stoked on it. Give you guys a close-up of it and a bit of a look on what it actually looks like when it's worn. Let's cut to that now. So I was lucky, I managed to get it in extra large, which is the ideal size for me when it comes to t-shirts. I can wear the large Palace ones, especially with the older ones, but I prefer extra large when I can get it. And of course black, you can't spill anything on it, so that's always a winner right there. So I'll give you guys a bit of a look at the back of it. So yeah, as I said, instead of the triferg is like embedded on a pill. Super sick design. This is quite a rare tee, so I'm glad I managed to get it in such good condition. I may end up having to sell it soon, but for the meantime, it's going to get some good wear out of me.